Right-clicking on an existing paddock will give you the option to either edit the borders or delete the paddock. To edit the paddock boundaries, click on the X to remove a point, or click and drag on the blue circles to expand the paddock. Then save your changes, or cancel to go back to the original paddock shape. To delete a paddock, make sure you move all mobs out of the paddock first. You can right-click on the paddock and select the Delete button, or you can go to Manage Paddocks and check the box to deactivate your paddock. Deleting a paddock will archive it rather than delete it completely, so you won't see it on the map, but it is still in the system if you need to recover it later. So to find this paddock again, go back to Manage Paddocks and use the toggle button on the top right-hand corner to show all your paddocks, and deselect the box to reactivate a paddock. To add a new paddock, you can either draw it on the map or upload a shapefile. To draw it on the map, begin clicking on the paddock boundaries, and if you make a mistake, click on the last point you created to delete it, or use the reset button to start over. When you finish drawing the paddock, click on Create, and you'll be asked to enter your pasture details for the paddock to save it. To add a paddock using a shapefile, you'll need to have either a zip file containing a shapefile, a KML, or a KMZ file. Select your file, choose Upload, and then select the information you want to include in the upload, such as the paddock names. Paddocks in the file will appear in grey. Click on each paddock in turn to enter the pasture details and save the paddock to your property. Once saved, paddocks will turn blue. If you don't want to upload some of the paddocks, click on the X at the top right-hand corner of the box to go back to the main map, and only the blue paddocks will be saved and added to your property.